Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a protein milkshake at home. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder, about 8 ounces of milk or a dairy-free alternative, and 1 ripe banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. These foundational elements create a delicious and nutritious base for your shake. Ensure your ingredients are ready before blending. To elevate your milkshake, consider adding 1 tablespoon of nut butter like almond or peanut for healthy fats and a richer flavor. For a colder, thicker shake, toss in about 5 to 6 ice cubes. A small dash, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, can also significantly enhance the overall taste, making it even more enjoyable. These additions are simple yet impactful. Now combine all your chosen ingredients in a blender. Blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. If your shake is too thick, add a little more liquid, 1 ounce at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Pour your freshly blended protein milkshake into a tall glass and enjoy it immediately for the best taste and texture. Feel free to get creative with your protein milkshake. Try different fruits like berries or mango, or experiment with various protein powder flavors such as chocolate or strawberry. For an extra nutritional boost, a handful of spinach or kale blends in seamlessly without altering the taste much. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your personalized, healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.